Okay, welcome to the video. Today we're going to work on creating images in Midjourney, and we're going to use specific Pantone colors in parts of the design because we're playing with a project and we have a color theme that we want to use. So this is what I'm going to show you guys is a really easy way that you can do this, and it's not difficult at all, but like anything in Midjourney, sometimes you don't get what you want and you got to play around with it a little bit, and we're going to get to that in a minute. But first, what we want to do is we just want to put our prompt in. I've already got something saved up. So I'm going to do a purple dog, eclectic, so it kind of looks a little funky, folk art, a funky fusion. Don't know what that's going to do, so it's going to be kind of fun. But I want it all isolated with a yellow background. Now, here's the thing. I want to use specific Pantone colors for the purple and the yellow. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go here to Google and I'm going to type in PMS 266 for the purple, right? So go to images here, and then guess what? We get a Pantone chip. So if you click that, it'll be a little bigger. But here's the thing. You want to copy the image address. So let's go back to Midjourney. And I'm going to type in sref, which is your style reference. And then I put that URL in for the purple, and that brings up the purple chip. Now we're going to do the same thing for the yellow. And for that, I just want to use 123. Same thing. Find the Pantone chip, which is this one. And we want to copy image address. And same thing. -- sref, yellow, boom, it's in. Okay, now I like to do the power permutations because you never know what you're going to get, and a lot of people do it this way. I think it's a lot of fun. It gives you, because I do 11 variations, it gives you 44 images off the bat. And somebody pointed out in a previous video that this completely chews up your GPU time. So if you've got a lower version of Midjourney, beware. I've got the highest level, so it really doesn't affect me much. So I just hit go. Now we're going to get a purple dog. We didn't specify the dog, so it could be really any dog. And as it makes these, of course, it starts off here with style 0, which is very super basic. And the higher it goes up, what it does is it gives Midjourney more creative license to do some funky things, right? So my style 1000s are going to be a little more dialed in than maybe the style 0s. But still, what we're looking for are dog. We want a purple dog on a yellow background. That's what we really want, okay? And so we got some right off the bat. And I'll just scroll through these real quick, and we'll see if we find any that we really like. And the reason why I do all these is because I like to see results. And some of these I might use, and some of these I might remix or vary or whatever. And I kind of like that one off the bat. Here's one with some flowers. There you go. That one's cool. Now look how it matches the purple and the gold. This one's just a little pinky, for that purple. But it's closer than any color that you might have gotten with Midjourney. If you're a color kind of guy like I am, there you go. Look at that. That's exactly what we want. It's the purple and the gold. I like to upscale stuff that I like, so we'll upscale that one. I don't know where it's getting the flowers from. I guess the word eclectic or folk art wants to put more flowers in. Here's more of a whippet look. And of course, we're given Midjourney, as we scroll up, is giving more style, more creativity here. So here's another purple dog I kind of like. Let's see which one we turn out the best. This one's more of a dark grape color. We're trying to get it so it hits that 266 purple. That's kind of what we want. That one's got more colors, but that one might work. Some of these look like the dog got into some paint. All right. So here's our upscaled versions. The profile and the direct. Which one of these you like the best? This one's almost done upscaling. It's almost done. I kind of like the direct view. It's almost done upscaling. You know, upscaling for some reason takes longer than just generating stuff. So it's a wait. All right, so it's done. So here's the upscale frontal view, upscale profile view. Which one, if you had to pick between these two, you like the best? I think I'm going to go with the profile. So anyway, so compare to the purple, compare to the gold with both of these. Actually, this one matches the purple and the gold a little better. So, but you can see if you use this technique, you can dial in your green, your red, your blue, whatever you want. If you know those Pantone colors, you're using that for the style reference. Let's see what you can get. All right, so thanks for watching the video. If you've got any questions or anything, just hit us up. We would love for you to subscribe to the Midjourney Experience newsletter. This is published every single week, and it's full of tips and tricks just like this. Lots of videos, but a lot of articles to show you how to use Midjourney better, especially if you're a professional designer. So anyway, thanks for that. We'd love to see you guys do that. MidjourneyExperience.com. See you later.